This is your feeder and stock report for Wednesday, July 8th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top-quality cattle only. Across the province on Tuesday, but mostly in central Alberta, steers 900 plus 465 to 482, 8 to 900 507 to 532, 7 to 800 548 to 590, 6 to 700 607 to 660. 5 to 600 695 to 745. Heifers 900 plus 426 to 445, 8 to 900 462 to 477, 7 to 800 523 to 549, 6 to 700 552 to 587, 5 to 600 597 to 641, 4 to 500 649 to 733. Yesterday in northern Alberta, younger cows with good strong calves at their side traded from $7,000 per pair to $9,900 per pair. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance scattered trade will develop by this afternoon. Compared to a couple weeks ago, lift times are beginning to stretch out. Last week, Alberta Fed prices were at a $4 discount against the U.S. market. Basis levels have strengthened, and U.S. packer interest on the Western Canadian Fed cash market is expected to be quiet. For the month of June, Western Canadian Fed slaughter was the smallest since 2015. Smaller slaughter rates continue to be a concern, especially as market-ready Fed numbers are going to seasonally start increasing. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows 241 to 266, D3 cows 225 to 236, bulls in Central Alberta yesterday 288 to 301. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Nebraska yesterday, with dress sales at $3.95, $5 to $8 lower than the previous week. This does not set a price trend, but many are thinking cash prices will be steady to lower this week. Beef cow slaughter remains historically small, yet a different story is being noted on the dairy side of the market. Year-to-date dairy cow slaughter is 5% above last year. Despite lower milk prices year over year, the industry has been profitable, large in part due to historically high prices being paid for crossbred calves for beef production. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 70.81, up 14 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, amid trade, live cattle futures are as follows: August 236.97 down 145, October 232.72 down 130, December 232.77 down 122. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.